Hi guys, I'm Iulia and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a little home office tour because I really enjoy watching this type of videos on YouTube, and I said why not, because we've recently redecorated our home office for only £100 because I sold our old desks, which were huge, for £100. So we decided to spend those £100 on redecorating our home office and to make it look more homey and cozy, and just to make it a bit nicer so we can feel better when we're working in here and to feel more productive and so on. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this, and yeah, let's get started and get into the video. So yeah, I'll show you now an overview of the room. It's 1.9 by 3.3 meters. It's very small, I can say, but we tried to make the most of it, and I think it's quite cozy and nice now. We did split our room into parts. This is our desk area, obviously. This is where we work, pom pom. And on the other side we created a little snug, a little place where we like to hang out and just chill, and it's a little reading corner. That's the idea of that space there. So when friends are coming over or we have a game night or something, we have some extra space where people can just sit and chill and just, we can talk to each other, because previously we didn't have any extra space besides the desk chairs for people to sit on when they were coming over. So yeah, we created that little spot over there. And yeah, I really like to spend some time here in the mornings when it's sunny outside, just to enjoy my coffee and, I don't know, read a book or something. I really enjoy spending time here. So now, because we are here anyway already, I'm gonna show you my shelving unit. I really like this shelving. It's from Ikea, and here on the first shelf I have my orchid, which I absolutely love. It's so pretty, isn't it? It's just amazing. And then on this shelf I have my camera cemetery, if I can call it like that. That one is my very first camera. It's our family camera, actually. And then I have some lenses here, my first camera over there, some tripod, and yeah, I really like it. Some books here for our reading corner. And then here I have a little easel with Harry Potter puzzle that I did. I have a video on this, actually. It doesn't want to focus. Yeah, it's really cute and I like it there. This is a 3D printed model that I did for university. This is the roof of my structure. And yeah, a baseball ball, obviously, and a mirror, and some knickknacks that you don't want to see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and now for the seating area for this bench. This is actually a shelving unit, again from Ikea. I just turn it around, and yeah, I'm using these boxes as storage for stationery and whatever we have in here. And I added some cushions right there, colorful ones, just to make the place cozier and nicer and a bit more fun. And now if we are looking from the other side, I have a board here where I like to plan my YouTube videos. And also here I have a scratching map, a Europe map that I absolutely love, and I got it as a present. I already scratched out the countries that we've visited. Well, it's not really fair because we've visited only like 1-2 cities in each country, so it's not the whole country, but yeah, I absolutely love this one, so pretty. And then here I have my little keyboard. I always wanted to learn how to play the piano, and I started to learn a few weeks ago, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is my piano. And then yeah, up here we have our little basketball hoop, which is always a really good fun when people are over, or when we want to stretch during the day a tiny bit, or when you're looking for inspiration. It's always a good idea to throw a ball. And then here I have actually this support on the door to put my bags on because it's always a mess in the room and I need something to keep me organized and to keep my bags organized actually. So yeah, this is our desk area. We bought the desks from Ikea. We mixed and matched them. These are two different tops. Actually, the sizes are different. This one has 1.2 in length and the other one is only 1 because my boyfriend said he needs less space. And then we have 8 white legs like this. Very simple, but it's so functional and it looks nice, and the width of it is not that big because we don't need such big desks anymore in here. We wanted to have more space in the room, and this is what we got and we absolutely love it. And then yeah, this is my desk situation. This is a frame, well, this is a drawing that I did for my shop, for Crafty Wolf. If you haven't heard about it, I'm gonna link it in bio, but I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, especially when it's framed. And yeah, what else I have here? I have my headphones. They are from Sony. I absolutely love them. I have my Wacom tablet because, well, I like to draw, and I'm using this when I'm creating my drawings for my shop, my laptop, my screen, oopsie, my screen, and then some cute knickknacks there that I absolutely love. And yeah, I have a lamp which is in green mint, my favorite all-time color. Some dry flowers there, and here on the wall again I have some crafts that I did. I think I have a video about them on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out there. They are so cute. And then up there I have a print that I absolutely love. Again, if you like it, you can find it on my shop, on Crafty Wolf, on my Etsy shop. And then I have a little timetable that is stuck with masking tape on the wall. I actually like this kind of style, which is a bit messy. Yeah, I kind of like it and I don't mind it because we are renting here, so I cannot really put nails in the wall, so that's it. That's why I'm using blue tack for this, to stuck them onto the wall. As you can see here, a bit of blue tack, but whatever, it's fine. And then here next to my desk I have my drawing tube and some drawings that I'm keeping in the bin. Hello. And all sorts of other things are going on in there, as you can all see, but that's fine. And this is the slider, if you're wondering what that is. Okay, yep, that's about it. Okay, so that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little home office tour. I hope you like it. I know it's on a budget, it's not wow, you can see something so much better on Pinterest, but this is what we've managed to do with 100 pounds, and I'm really happy how it turned out, and we really like to spend time in here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in the prints that I showed you around the room, I'm gonna link it in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!